Welcome. Namaste. I hope you all know what it is today. So, today we are celebrating Happy Mother's Day. Of course, a mother is a miracle. And for a mother, me being a mother, I can tell you all, the most precious jewelry is the arms of the children around our neck. But today, we are going to make for a mother a beautiful necklace with pulses. So, let's get started. And before I start, y'all are going to take out the following materials. Just take out a piece of cardboard. Now this is from my cornflakes. I have got this. And pulses of different colors and shapes. The various dal, your rajma, moong dal, whatever you want, remove everything. And of course, Fevicol. And let's get started. Now the various dals I have taken here. I've taken this green pulse. Then I've taken a little bit of this red ones. Then of course, the chana dal. And I have also taken a little bit of sago or sabudana, which will be putting it in the middle. Now using this, I have first outlined the shape and now I will be cutting this off. So this is going to be the pendant on top of which we are going to stick all the pulses. So this is ready. Now, as always, I have taken Fevicol here and I've added a few drops of water so that I can use it more easily. So now right in the middle, and this is my brush, which I use only for Fevicol. And of course, don't forget to keep a piece of tissue or some rags so that we can use it as we are doing our work. Now in the first layer, I'm just adding a little bit of Fevicol. And I will start with the white sago here. Let me just take a few and put it right in the middle. And now give it a proper shape. So this is my first, the innermost circle. Next, I'll put Fevicol again around and use another color. Probably I'll use the green color. So same way, just take Fevicol. Now comes the next layer. Okay. And we start with, let me start with this color. Okay, so this dal is going to replace the rubies. The white are my pearls. Now this red, I'll keep it as ruby. Some more. Now you will continue like this and complete this. Let us finish this round. So you can see I've completed my second layer with red. Now the third layer, again, I'll just add some Fevicol. Here we go. I'll go to the third layer by then. I'm going to take this yellow color dal. So this now very nicely in one circle, just make one circle. Now you can creatively design the way you want. So I'm just going to give this as one circle. So let's finish this work. Now here you can see I have finished the next layer of the yellow beads. Now finally, all over here, I'll be putting green color. So again, Fevicol all over. Where is the green? Here. Now you can just put the green like this and very neatly make sure there's no space between the pulses. You just have to start filling it up like this. So let's finish this work also. Let me. Okay, now I have completed all the layers. Can you see? Now what I will do, you will have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry completely. I have taken a small string of satin ribbon, which I'll be using it for time as a cord. Now this very carefully turn it. Now right in the middle here, the shape of a V, just give a shape of a V. Here in the middle, we are going to stick this. Now how we are going to do that? If you have masking tape, just take a small piece of masking tape. Here we go. And just stick this. You can put 2 strips of tape. So I have just put 2 strips here. Now this looks very dirty. We cannot leave our work so dirty. So at the same size, I have cut white paper. So again, I'll take the glue, apply it neatly. And then just cover this up so that it looks neat. Now we will wait for a while for this whole thing to dry. So once this is dried, just take the brush, dip it in a bit of Fevicol with water, which I have already done. Take a bit and very gently just glaze over the pulses, very lightly. Now once this dries, it will give a kind of a glazed effect, a nice shine on the pulses. So if something comes out, just push it back inside. There we go. Now we allow this layer to dry again. So now this is dried completely, and this is how the pendant is going to look. Here we go, like this. I hope you all enjoyed this class. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers who are watching my show. Thanks for watching, and do like, share, and subscribe by clicking the notification button. Bye to all of you.